So there's this idea that has been in my mind for a little bit. Everyone is asking, Spencer, will AI replace our jobs? And my answer is no, AI won't replace your job, but somebody who knows how to use AI will. And that's really the core thing. So today, as we think about AI and AI technologies, it's not just about, helping you to do your work better. It's about actually extending your capabilities. You can imagine that every person within the next few years is going to have an army of, you could call them AI interns, doing their work not for you, but under your guidance. And so what's at least the midterm reality is not that agents are going to be just running wild, but rather that you're going to be controlling and making sure that these things are doing good work.